sorry. It's the last Monday of first grade. It's crazy. Okay, I feel better. So today, on the last Monday of first grade, we will find the result to unknown answers to answer word problems. How will we do this? We will use 10 frames to find the result unknown. Why? Because it's important to be able to solve problems with the result unknown. Let's look at some vocabulary words. The first word is joining. Say joining. Joining is combining two or more sets. We are combining puppies and cats. Separating. Say separating. Separating is when we're removing some from the group. So we had 7 pets in all, and we're going to take away 2 of the cats. If we remove 2 of the cats, we aren't going to have 5 cats anymore. So now we are going to do some practice problems together. All right, so I have this problem. It says there are 6 red fish and 8 green fish swimming in the pond. How many fish are there in all? Let me read that again. There are 6 red fish and 8 green fish swimming in the pond. How many fish are there in all? So I've highlighted the important parts of this question. It's asking how many fish there are in all, so that means we are joining these fish together. All right, and I want to show that on my 10 frames with my red counters over here. So I'm going to show my 6 red fish first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now I'm going to add my 8 green fish, but instead of starting here on this 10 frame, I'm going to fill up these spaces first. We aren't going to waste any spaces around here. So I'm going to start counting, but I'm going to fill up this one first. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I can answer how many fish there are in all by counting all of the counters or by saying there is 1, 10, and 4 ones. So if I have 1 10, that's 10 plus 4 more. Yep, 14. Or you could just count the counters, whichever is easiest for you. But this whole full 10 frame means there is 1 10. So I can draw a 1 in the tens place right now if I want to. And then a 4 in the ones place. So 6 red fish and 8 green fish is 14 fish. Okay, you ready to practice another one with me? There are 14 red crackers and 5 blue crackers in the box. How many crackers are in the box altogether? Well, I'm going to need to read the problem again. There are 14 red crackers and 5 blue crackers in the box. How many crackers are in the box altogether? Now, let's go back and find the important parts of this. So, I know that there are 14 red crackers and 5 blue crackers in the box. Then the question is asking me how many crackers are in the box altogether. How about if I highlighted it? 14 red crackers. And how many blue crackers? 5, that's right. So now I'm going to use, what are y'all laughing at? What? What's so funny? Oh. We're going to use our counters to find how many crackers are in the box altogether. We're going to start with 14 red crackers. All right, here we go. We know that a full 10 frame is how many? If I fill up this 10 frame, how many counters do I have? It's called a 10 frame. So if it's full, there are 10. 10. This whole 10 frame is 10 counters. I don't need to count each counter. I know I have 10 fingers. I don't need to count each finger. 10. This is 10, and this is 10. So I need 14. So here's 10, 11, 12. Come back. So I have my 10 in the 10 frame, but I need 14. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now I need 5 blue crackers. So I'm going to add 5 more counters. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many crackers are in the box altogether? Do I seriously need to count each counter? No, I don't, because this is 10. And if this was full, this would be 10. So if I had one here, that would be 20, right? But I don't have one there, so it's what? 9 or 19. We have 10 and 9. 10 and 9. So we have 1 10, and then we have 9 ones. 9 ones. So 1 10 and 9 ones. What number does that make? 19. Very good. All right, so the rest of the problems are for you. They are your independent practice problems. This one says there are 8 girls and 8 boys in the classroom. How many boys and girls are there in the class? You're going to show the boys and girls with the counters. You don't get to drag them. You get to click on the pen and draw them. You draw the counters in the boxes. When you are finished, you're going to write your answer in this rectangle right here. See it? Right there? Okay. Next page. I have 7 shirts in my closet. I went to the store and bought 11 more. How many shirts do I have in all now? Well, you're going to draw the counters to show my shirts. 7 and then 11. Find the total and write your answer in the rectangle. What did you learn today? Joining, combining 2 or more sets. Separating, removing some from the group. And then you have a 10 frame song to refresh your memory on 10 frames. Have a great day, boys and girls. I will see you tomorrow. Bye.